the data type means we have several data types, okay, like string, we mentioned before, like numeric types, like integer, like float, like complex. Actually, I didn't use, I'm sorry, I didn't use complex before, so just ignore that when you need it, okay. And we have some sequence type, which means list, tuple actually. I read it tuple, which is not correct. I checked Google, it's tuple, okay. And range, okay, this is important. List, tuple, and range. We have mapping type, like dictionary, DICT. We have set type, like set, and frozen set. And this is more important than this one, I believe, okay. And we have boolean, BOOL, which means right, which means false and true. We have binary type, like byte array, and memory view, and I didn't use this part before. Okay, I didn't have any question or any problem I need to use binary types. So maybe some of the part is, for a good knowledge to know, but it's not, necessary for you to work on, to memorize or to understand. If you need that, you can check that by yourself. So if x is equal to y, you can print type of x. So that will be easy. Just copy that, paste it, and run it. So you will see the type. And this is the way how it shows the type, because x equal to y, 5, which is very clear that it is an integer, right? So you can also, by doing this way, if you add another code, okay, x equal to 10, and you can just use type, and it will show you integer. So if you use print before, if you print type, it will give you a class integer. If you just type x, you will have answer int. That would be enough, because this is a way for you to know what type of this variable is. Okay, so it's only a variable. If a variable is not assigned, like it did not assign anything. Okay, like as I remember, I didn't assign a is a variable. We didn't assign that before. So if you type that, you will see is name a is not defined, because a right here is a variable. Okay, but if you type this way, then it will be a string. Okay, it will be a string. So you have to clarify yourself when you have a string. You need a double quotient or a quotient, like quotient. Okay. Quotient will be the same, I think. Okay, like a, it'll be a string as well. So double quotient means it's also, the or means it's a string. Okay, so the next part will be something like this. You can practice by yourself for x equal to hello world, and it'll be a string. So you can try it. So something like, if I try this part, and I add the code, and I check the type of x, then it will give me, it's a list. Okay, so a list is covered with a square brackets. Okay, so please try this by yourself. I think there are some parts up to this one, and this one. This is a dictionary set, and a boolean. Okay, bool. Okay, and you can neglect this part, and this part. Let me check if there's some other thing we need to know later on. Maybe for something like this part, you could try it by yourself. And you don't have to worry about what is a dictionary. I will tell you later on, okay? So we just to try to understand, okay, this is starts with a DICT, which means it's a dictionary, okay? So and maybe try, yeah, that's it. So please try to run this by yourself, okay? I think 5 minutes of break, okay? Try to run it by yourself.